Oh.
I think I'm in your seat. Sorry.
My heart is racing. Oh my God.
Yeah, I can move. I did.
Terry, what's your name?
Karina.
Hello. If you don't mind, I think I'm gonna win the
Oh,
seats.
you? Oh my God! No way, bro.
Hey, you good?
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Terry, my guy, what's happening?
Let me know if it bothers you.
Oh man.
All right.
How are you? What's your name?
Chris.
Chris. I'm Terry.
What's your FIFA World Cup prediction? Who do you think's gonna win?
I think France can do it. Do you think the US can do it?
We're hopeful. Do you like football?
I do.
Love it. I actually play professionally.
Really?
I feel like England got some bad
Oh,
blood in
you
it.
said England.
I'm praying for Colombia.
Spain.
I said the same. He doesn't agree.
What do you think I'm gonna say? I need to be able to go back to my country.
I'm Italian, so I know about that.
What's your favorite FIFA World Cup moment ever? Ever. Tell us.
Winning it.
It's an amazing answer.
Me too sexy. Losing it. Where are you gonna watch the FIFA World Cup final?
The final. Oh,
I have here 2 extra tickets for the FIFA World Cup final party in New York.
no, that's absolutely fake.
Does anyone want the tickets?
No.
And you see how quick they are?
There you go.
The happiness. Oh, come on, give me. Oh, I like that. That's the Italian side. That's the Italian side.
Amazing.
Find the American Suitcase in your city. Scan the QR code and enter for tickets to the FIFA World Cup final party in New York.